This is my prototype Pest Alarm based on a sound sensor module from Banggood, which is connected to an AT-Tiny 85, where if sound is detected, it sounds an alarm and also flashes an LED. Okay, when you're setting up the sound sensor module, plug it into the breadboard and connect this pin VCC to 5 volt positive. Then the ground pin goes to the ground rail breadboard, and then you've got an output pin which goes to the AT-Tiny in our case. You need to be aware that there's a potentiometer, and you can see as I'm pointing to the screwdriver, and you can see that will need to be adjusted such that when you power on the right you should see a continuous green light, and then the output LED will flash depending upon the noise, and that's an indicator that everything is working okay. The next part of the circuit is the AT-Tiny 85. I'm going to show separately in the video description the link to the code for the Arduino IDE file, the .ini file. Anyway, what we have here is the AT-Tiny, and there's a little circle here which shows the position, helps you align the pins. This is VCC, which is again powered into 5 volts. This is ground, which is connected to the ground rail of the breadboard or your power supply. And we're going to set up an LED on what we call pin 0, which is, you can just see that now, it's the last pin on that side. And then what we do is on pin 1, which is the one beside it, we basically set up the microphone, the speaker. Now what they're doing, they're going to a common ground rail. So I need to be able to make a connection. So that's positive, positive. Both negative pins are coming to this common area. And what I need to do is then connect both of them up to the ground pin of AT-Tiny. Now the other thing to remember, as I said previously, is we have, this is pin 2, and we need to connect that to the output of the sound meter.